Now we are ahead. Final step. We started the final book. First, we understood what Forex is, who does it, why do we do it, how does the world work, how to place Forex orders. Then we went to the session. When does Forex open? When does it close? And then we studied the basic three types of analysis. Technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis. Then we studied technical individually, fundamental individually, and sentiment individually. We studied, learned, and understood these three types of analysis. In this journey, we have invested our time. Now, what do we have to do? In all this, in the jungle of trading, the world of trading is a jungle. Here we have reached a destination that is profitability. We want to be profitable. Okay, now that profitability, how do we achieve it? For this, we have to make our trading plan.
What is a trading plan? The trading plan is our GPS in this jungle to our destination. If we do not use the GPS, we are wandering in the jungle. We will never be able to get out of this. So what do we need for this? We need to make a trade plan. Discipline is our survivor. We have to create a trading plan because of which we will be able to survive in this market. For that, discipline is very important. What is the first thing about being your own trader?
You have to become your own trader. You should not blindly follow someone else's trading advice. Just because someone benefited from that method, it doesn't mean that their method, their strategy will work for you as well. Why? What's the reason? The simple reason is, for example, they are giving signals or doing copy trading. Their 10 trades go into loss. All right? When 10 trades go into their loss, it was part of his strategy. They are winning times two. They are losing trades as well. They are winning trades too. You are looking at his losing trades. You said, stupid, he doesn't know trading. He doesn't know anything. He shouldn't do it like this. He should do it like that because your risk exposure, your expectations, your income, your return, absolutely.
It is very different from the traders. That is already trading in markets. So that is, you have to be very, very careful if you follow them. Those 10 winning trades, he will have 10 losing trades.
You started following him during losing trades. You stopped following him after 10 losing trades. He came back with 10 winning trades. So he recovered the money, but you want to recover your money because you probably stopped following him after 5 trades since you don't know what he is doing, why he is doing it, or for what reason. You are just following blindly and you won't be able to do so because you are losing money and you automatically end up leaving it. So it doesn't work for you because in life and in different situations, we have different market views.
Thought, process, risk tolerance, and market experience. So we can trade on our market views based on our personality, experience, risk tolerance, and process.
But when we want to follow someone else's views, thought process or experience, we won't be able to do that. So what you have to do is gather everything we've learned and create your personal trading plan, which you will also make, and we will learn to trade from it. We will start trading on it. The first point is we need rock solid discipline. We have to develop a trading plan. But after developing that trading plan, we have to stick to it because no trading plan, no trading strategy is 100%. Okay? It is correct 60 or 70% of the time. So when it is wrong, you have to follow the strategy because you never know if this trade will be winning or losing.
You backtested the strategy, you collected its data, you looked at 5 years, 10 years and saw that the strategy is right 60%, 70% of the time. But how can you predict if this trade will be right or wrong? Then your risk management comes into play. You have to manage your risk and you need rock solid discipline. It should be as strong as a wall, which will follow it in every situation, no matter what.
Defining a trading plan tells you what to do, when to do it, why to do it, and how to do it. When to trade, why you are trading, where you are trading, at what price you are trading, and how you are trading. It colors your personal trading personality. Your personality, do you work harder or are you more fearful? Or do you panic when you incur a small loss? What are your expectations from trading? Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you need a side income? What do you want from this to cover household expenses and risk management tools?
What is your method for managing risk? How much loss can you tolerate? And trading system.
What is a trading system? Our strategy is great. The trading system
which we call a trading strategy. In the same language, we have understood all trading from it. That is not trading. You are part of the trading plan. Now, what will come in the trading plan? Your personality, your personal expectations, your risk management tools, and trading system. These are the 4 things that back up a trading plan. But what is our issue? We have understood the trading system itself as the trading plan. That is why we are unsuccessful in trading. So whenever you follow the trading plan with rock solid discipline, it will limit your losses, limit your mistakes, and minimize your losses. Now, why make a trading plan? Just to be profitable, you need to control your losses. A trading plan helps control losses. For example, if I am pouring water into a jug and it is leaking from the bottom, then pouring water into the jug is pointless as it will be empty at the end of the day. So if I am making a profit in the account and in one way profit is coming, it becomes profitable in 10 minutes. And just one trade comes along, all the profit is gone. At the end of the day, I am not making money. I have come into trade to make money because I am not controlling my losses. I want to be able to make money. So what is the difference between a trading system and a trading plan? A trading system tells you when to enter and exit a trade. Basically, it's a strategy. Yes. A trading plan, a trading system is a part of your trading plan. Just one of the very important parts: analysis, execution, risk management, because identifying market conditions, because market conditions are changing. What will a good trader do? They have 2 or more. In dark shade, these will be 2 or 3 or 5 trading strategies. Understand this within your trading plan, meaning he will have only 3 or 4 strategies, but there will be one trading plan. Now the trading plan is a different thing. Now the trading strategy is a different thing. The trading system is a different thing. All traders, all YouTube traders fail here. They don't understand that I have made a trading plan. I have made a trading system. They have made a trading strategy into a trading plan. They do a lot of processing while entering and exiting. The people following them also incur losses. There are good people too. I'm not pointing out anyone, but here it is. But many people are lost just because of this. Now you have to use a trading plan. They use a GPS device. The trading plan is your GPS. It will tell you where you currently are as a trader and how you will reach your destination. What is your destination? We want to be consistently profitable. We don't want profit from just 1 or 2 trades, not in 1 or 2 weeks. We need to be profitable throughout the year. Consistent profitable meaning you have losing periods, losing trades, but your winning trades, winning periods will outweigh the losing ones. So the trading plan is your GPS. What will happen with the trading plan? You will find out if I am going in the right direction or have gone in the wrong direction. You will have a framework that is established, which will measure your trading performance. This enables you to trade with less emotion and stress. When you know there will be so much loss and so much gain in American trading, winning periods will not come after losing periods. So you will have less emotional stress. So you will not be a cowboy trader. You will not be a gamer. A gamer was never mentally stable. You people say